guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be planting a terrarium, a cactus terrarium nonetheless. Most people don't put cactus in terrariums, but you know what? I'm not most people. So I have this here, which you guys may have seen on Instagram. I had leca in this, and it just had my bipennifolium in it, and I recently cleaned it, or I tried to clean it. Looks like it still has some yuckiness on top, but anyway, I recently cleaned it, and I was just sitting here debating, like, what can I do with this? What can I put in here? And while I'm sure a lot of you are screaming at your TV now thinking, oh my God, you could put so much in there, I really wanted to do cactus because I love cactus. I have a little mini cactus greenhouse, which I recently just put together not that long ago. I thought it'd be cute if I planted up some cactus in here. This is definitely gonna be a little top heavy. Okay, to keep it out of my face for right now. And I had an idea. So a lot of you may know that I have two very, very good friends in the plant community, Becca from Becca De La Plants and Adam from Not Dude. If you're not already subscribed to them, please go click on their links below and subscribe to their channels. They're great. The last time we were together, Becca took us down to Tucson to this place called EcoGro. So today I am at EcoGro in Tucson. I took a little road trip down here with some friends, and they had some really, really cool plants. And I got a few cactus, and 3 of them are literally my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna show them to you right now. Actually, let's put you down here because I can see myself knocking it over. Okay, so the first plant is this Euphorbia Herita. It is just so beautiful. It has like some gray-green markings on it. It barely has any spines on it. Well, it's Euphorbia, so it has not spines, but thorns. Is that right?
Why is that one a cactus? Let's review.
Because it's growing out of the center holes.
Areolas.
Nipples. The nipples.
The nipples.
So that's how you can tell. Well, actually, that's how you can tell a cactus from a euphorbia. Euphorbia spines grow like on the side, right? Like the crease.
Mm-hmm. Just like at random moments.
Out of the side of the
cactus or euphorbia.
The plant flesh.
Plant flesh.
Euphorbia will grow thorns right here, along here. And then cactus will grow out of
you just now saw that.
what is called an areole, which you can clearly see as this white bit right underneath the thorns. And these are actually called spines. Euphorbia have thorns. It's quite simple.
I think so. And it's just so beautiful. So I absolutely love looking at it. It's doing great. And this is one of them that I'm going to put in there. All right, the next one is an Astrophytum Myra Stigma. And this one is just so, so beautiful. It barely has any spines on it. And it's smooth, and it has these little tiny polka dots on it. It looks so cool. And if you look at it this way, it looks like a star. And it's just simply one of my favorites. I absolutely love this. And these bloom beautifully too. I haven't gotten mine to bloom yet, but they do. And the last one is another Astrophytum. It's my Astrophytum Ornatum. This one is very similar to the Myostigma, but it has very fierce spines. And it also has many more little dots on it. I like to say that these dots truly look like mealybugs, but they're not. This is so beautiful, and it has that same kind of shape that the other one has, only it has more of them. It's so, so, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And okay, so these are the 3 cactus that I am going to be planting into this terrarium. And after I thought about it, because I was really just looking at my cactus and I was like, what are my favorites? And I pulled my favorites off the shelf and I was like, oh, I got all of these from EcoGro in Tucson. I did get quite a few other ones too, but it just so happened I pulled the 3 that I got in Tucson. And I thought it was really cute and kind of sentimental because it's like me and my friends. It's the 3 of us. So I'm potting the 3 of us up in a terrarium. They're gonna watch this and be like, oh, Nicole, You're crazy. Mixture of what I'm using. I have some cactus soil in here mixed with some perlite with some charcoal added in. And I'm also going to be mixing in some lava rock. And then I'm going to plant the cactus and then I'm going to top dress it with more lava rock. I think I'm going to fast forward this so you guys aren't bored. You can watch me do it and you can listen to some tunes and then we could talk about it afterwards. Let's go. You guys, that was it. That was so easy. I absolutely love the simplicity of this, and they have plenty of room to grow, and I cannot wait to see how they do. This is my little Tucson terrarium. I'm gonna make some smaller labels for them and probably just tape them along maybe the bottom of this, because you can pull this out of the wooden piece and then just kind of tape them here just so I don't forget what they are, because we all know me. But I think that this is cute without like labels sticking out of it, and I just absolutely adore it. Oh, it's so pretty. And I used this little stick I got from Bonsai Jack. The lava rock that I used that I showed you earlier when I was fast forwarding is this like red lava stone, and it's great for planting cacti. You can mix it into your soil. You can use it as a top dress. It helps with fungus gnats. It's really great. And I got a really big bag of it, and it came with this little aerator, which is great for like brushing the soil or the stone off the top of your cactus to get into those little crevices. It also helped me push the roots down gently and kind of arrange the soil a little bit. So this tool came in handy today, and I love it. You can find Bonsai Jack's lava stone in my Amazon shop, and it's linked below. Hashtag not sponsored, but Bonsai Jack, if you want to reach out, I'm your girl. Okay, I'm your girl. All right, guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely love doing stuff like this. If you guys have anything else you'd like to see, such as terrarium planting, I recently been doing a lot of research on it, and I've been looking on Pinterest, and I'm seeing some really cool things. So I kind of have a few ideas in mind, but if you guys want to see anything in particular, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what you think about this and if this is something you would do or not, because I know a lot of people don't put cactus in terrariums. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when I post videos, and give this video a like if you liked it. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, I officially hate my mic. I'm not even joking. Why doesn't this ever work? Guys, mic recommendations, please leave them in the comment section. I already know I'm gonna sweat my ass off filming with my hair down. Straighten it, not letting it go to waste. Oh, let's do that at the end. Okay, water. Oh, I'm the only one who films on landscaping day. My landscapers just got here. Can you see my dog's butt? Might start barking. You hear how loud that is? This is not going to go well. My next one is an ice at. I love this one a lot because I should just wait till they leave. Come here. Hi dear. Oh, you seepers? Oh, you were seeper? Yeah, he's a good boy, my little doofy. He's a good boy. We say hi. Oh, he's tired. I can't wait to go outside later and see how many of my ground cover succulents they cut. Now I have 3 planters. What can I do with those? Buy more plants. This is so stinking cute. It's me, Becca, and Adam. They're gonna think I'm nuts.